I like chicken with a little bit of rice. I like steak with a little bit of spice. Scrambled eggs and toast in the morning, but I don't know what I want tonight, so let's Google it, let's Google it. Why would you Google it if you can Google it? Let's Google it, let's Google it. Why would you Google it if you can Google it?
Hello everyone, how are you today and welcome to Letscookolet. Yes, it's a quick bite to eat today, and today we're making cream of mushroom. Something quick and easy and yummy because we're going to make our own vegetable broth as well. So here I have the celery, onion, garlic. I'm gonna just give it a rough chop, and I have about 1.5 liter water boiling. Any vegetable you have, any leftover vegetable before they go bad, some bay leaf, carrot, the trimming from the onions, some basil, fresh basil before they go bad, celery, salt, peppercorn, and doesn't hurt to put some instant vegetable stock if you want a little stronger. And let it simmer for 20 minutes and you have your own vegetable broth. It's going to be a yummy soup. Voila. Now let me start with the onion first here. Doesn't matter how you cut it or you slice it, as long as you keep it a little thick. Now stove on a medium high, butter, little bit olive oil with it. As soon as the butter melts, our onion and mushroom, salt and pepper, and we're going to saute the mushroom and the onion. Nice, looking good. Me, because I love onion, I always add onion to anything I'm making. So yes, mushroom, cream of mushroom soup, but I like some onion with it. Now, a couple of spoons of flour. Mix it very well with the flour before we start adding the vegetable broth. Look at that lovely vegetable broth. Nice. Now we're gonna let it simmer, and they're gonna start thickening up on its own because we add the flour, and let it simmer for a few minutes before we add the cream. You see how it thicken up? Now all what we need just to add the cream, stir it a little bit and let it simmer for 1 minute and good to go. Perfect. So turn off, and our cream of mushroom soup ready to go and ready to serve. Looking nice. Can't wait to start. Voila. Now the moment of the truth. Oh, what a difference when you make your own broth. And we made the vegetable broth for the soup. So cream of mushroom soup. All yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.